Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Can you read me loud and clear? Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. Change channel 16. Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Burgundy. Channel change to channel 16. Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your ATA to pilot service? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Burgundy. My ETA is 0800R 30 October 2023. Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your call sign? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. What is your last port call and gross tonnage? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Burgundy. My last port call is Brazil and my gross tonnage is 23304. Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. Do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Burgundy. Yes, we carry dangerous goods. 25 liters of IMDG class 3. Over.
Burgundy, this is Batangas BTS. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verde Island in channel 16. Over.
Batangas BTS, this is Motor Vessel Burgundy. We will call you when we pass Verde Island on channel 16. Over.
Burgundy, standby channel 16. Over.
Batangas BTS, we will stand by channel 16. Over and out.